Let's understand how to create logic jump surveys in the Survey Maker plugin. Logic jump surveys allow you to skip or move to a specific question based on your answers. For example, in this survey, as we can see, when we click on the option, for example, Chinese, questions about Chinese dishes will follow up. Now, let's understand how to do this. When you already have the set of your questions, decide on which questions you want to enable logic jump. The questions that need to follow a specific answer should be written in separate sections. Then, below your question frame, you can see 3 vertical dots. Click on it and from the opened menu, choose the logic jump option. Afterwards, for each option, choose the section that you want to come afterwards. Besides the sections that you have created, you can also choose the options Continue to the next section or Submit form, which will eventually end your survey. It is also important to notice that this logic jump feature works only with the question types radio and yes or no questions. If after the conditional questions another general set of questions is coming, make sure to add logic jump on every section so they won't be displayed unnecessarily, and save your changes to preview them. Let's preview our surveys one more time to make sure that we did everything correctly. For example, this time we may choose the American option and we can see that the questions about American dishes will follow up. And in the end, as we wanted, the set of general questions will come. And we can finish our survey as we want it.